Be sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on that notification bell and hit the like button.
I'm always doing the most, finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back, let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is so exciting and I am sharing with you the Matte Meet Metallics Celebrations Glitter Collection. This is our 10-piece collection for November, December, kind of January release of our glitters, and I am so excited to share it with you. It is absolutely stunning. This one is Last Dance, and I'm just letting you know because it's the only one that I didn't put a sticker on, but the rest of them do have stickers, so I'll let you see me share these and then we'll get on to doing the quick swatches and sharing the finished results. I just really wanted to put a video together because I think sometimes seeing a picture of a glitter isn't as nice as, you know, seeing it in action, seeing it being used and the light flickering on it. I don't know, I think it just is so much better having a little video put together. So I hope you enjoy this collection as much as I do. I think it's so versatile and just absolutely stunning. The entire collection will be available to buy as a full set and also as individuals, so you can either choose the ones that you like or get all of them at a discounted price, which I am so excited about. And yeah, I'm just super excited for this range. I think it's beautiful. I wanted to let you know that these release on the 16th of November 2020, just in case you watch this video in the future, at 12 PM UK time. So set your alarms if you want to get a hold of it, because believe you me, they are going to go so fast. I also wanted to share 4 out of the 10 new acrylics that we will be launching on the 16th of November, and I just wanted to show how they can be combined with the new glitter range that we will have coming as well. So this one is Bunny Boiler, and it's a nice, like, super poppy pink. It's not poppy as in red, but like pop as in like, wow, she's beautiful. And it's absolutely stunning with Girls Night Out. We also have Seduction as the acrylic here, and then Parma Violet, and it matches beautifully as a set combined. You could also combine that with Romantic as well. It would look beautiful, but I wanted to share the new products and focus on that. This one is No Regrets, which is a bright solid orange, and it would just be beautiful with all of these shades. I love it. And then we have Rose Petal, which is a gorgeous, rich, like shimmery red with golds running through it, and it would be beautiful with Paint the Town. Absolutely stunning. Okay, so I've just sped these up because I'm quickly going to run through and swatch them, and then I'll show them all to you guys at the end. I'll show you the cool tones together and then the warm tones, because I think looking at glitters like that really opens your imagination up and kind of gets those creative juices flowing, what you can create, what you can put together. And yeah, I just love seeing things in rainbow order as well. It just makes my heart and soul super happy. So now I've finished swatching and popping them on the long stiletto pop sticks. These are the cool tones. They look so freaking gorgeous together. Honestly, these glitters are so rich and like elegant and beautiful. We then have the warm tones, and again, absolutely stunning together. Such a beautiful colour palette that you can do absolutely anything with. Pair it with a rainbow iridescent glitter, or, you know, a holographic gold or shards, and it would look stunning. And here they are all together. Oh, honestly makes my heart so happy. I'm so excited for this collection. If you are too, then give it a thumbs up for this video. Comment down below which ones or which one is your favorite. And guys, as always, remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different, because you've got this, and I love you. Mwah. Bye.